All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the home run of the day. We brief every single morning on daily stocks, as well as over at the Patreon weekly stocks, but daily stocks, we talk about them over at the Discord. If that's something that interests you, tiers are filling up pretty quickly. You can check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We're 130 plus members, and we look forward to having you join us if that's something that interests you. So stay tuned on in for that, as well as the ticker symbol you won't want to miss. I know that you're looking for Ocugen information, OCGN, because this is a ticker symbol that's on your watch list or in your portfolio. But I always have extra content to give, not just the chart analysis. 90% of the time, I'm not even invested in these stocks. I make these videos consistently to go ahead and give them to you guys for gratitude, right? And also helping investors along the way. That's why these videos are watched. And I do them with purpose and a goal to help every single investor one video at a time. But towards the end of the video, I like to share extra opportunities that I'm actually watching that may have potential for certain reasons. So stay tuned for that. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. So OCGN, right? Holding itself up. Nice consolidation here after that big dip last week, and then actually consolidating, holding itself strong, but keeps getting rejected in the $12 area. Now we're sitting at $8.56. We're a few cents away from that. We're going to watch this closely, right? So our support is literally on the 50-day moving average, which is 11.17. If that gets crossed, bears are gaining control, and this is getting into bearish territory. The next support after that would be down here at $11. I'd watch that carefully and see how the stock is reacting within those areas. Now our resistance is the highest point of the day, and that was up here at $12.05, guys. This needs to get above $12, past $12.05, turned it into a support to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and get further away from the 50-day moving average in the upward direction. So this is very important right now for this stock to not just consolidate, but also pull upwards, because it is in tug-of-war zone. So we want to watch it carefully. Now, if all these supports get broken through, the next point of reference is down here at 1032. You're going to want to watch that carefully. And moving forward, the highest point up here as well is 1242. If things get very volatile in either direction. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to smash the like button to let me know you watch this video, and it helps out the YouTube channel, and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. Stay tuned on in for the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, as well as the home run of the day. So the ticker symbol I want you guys to add to your watch list today is a lot slower when it moves, but it's a ticker symbol that if inflation really is on its way, it's going to perform pretty well, or at least not get hit as hard as the overall market for many different reasons. So stay tuned for that. We're going to talk about it in just a moment. I talked about it 2 weeks ago over at the Patreon, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day that gave us 15 to 25% at its high, and it gave us quick within minutes 10 to 15% as the bell opened, guys. So let's go ahead and look at this one. It's ADMA, and I mentioned it early in the morning. We mentioned also AKTX. This one gave us about 5% at its best moment, but ADMA, we talked about it when it was sitting at 224. It had received FDA approval, and it was going to get investors' attention or not. That's what we were looking for. And we literally caught it on the dip after this run, guys. And as it was pulling downwards, it hit 224, kind of consolidated before it took off, guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of the community, we're 130 plus members already, you're more than welcome to join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. And we're all a community collectively of investors looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So this stock, as the bell was coming, it was already running and it took off. So just in a matter of minutes since I mentioned it, all the way towards that peak right here, that right there gave us 10% plus, pulled back, right? to 237. If you had a stop loss and you caught it anywhere below, where the market opened or around close to when I mentioned it or consolidation, and your stop loss did not execute, you can keep on riding it to see what's going on, watching it closely, and it took off to a high here of 263, giving a return of 20 to 25% from when I mentioned it, guys. So opportunities like these, we try to aim for every single day. We usually look for 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a good day, and 20% plus is a home run, guys. This was another home run today, and you could see these are stocks that we get in, we get out, we ride the momentum, and go ahead and maximize profits and minimize losses. Once again, if you're interested, we look forward to having you join us. Now, the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list is GOLD, Barrick Gold Corporation, guys. And in inflationary pressures, this type of stock tends to do well. It's actually pulling back right now. And if we want to really pay close attention, what we want to look for is consolidation or an extra pullback for some weakness before the next rebound. And if inflationary pressures do come to risen or start rising for real as expected for the next coming weeks and months, this type of stock tends to do well because it's in correlation, obviously, to gold, right? And not only that, but just minerals and precious metals overall. So this company has a pretty good balance sheet and they're a pretty good company overall, but the stock has been falling for some time, and its recent low was $18 back in March, and $21 is just $3 above it. It is a slow mover, but this type of stock, like I said, if inflation does come, tends to do pretty well, or at least hold itself up and not get hit as hard as the other stocks. Now, that's not guaranteed, and I'm not saying that that's exactly how it's going to play out, but it's definitely a stock to watch. And anyways, overall, based off of analysis ratings, the fundamentals, and the company as a whole, the opportunity is there to the upside, especially if you do your research. But this is just one of those stocks you want to have close. And if you're not in it, at least you want to be watching it. So when inflation does start to hit, you're going to see the correlation indirectly or directly happening with this ticker symbol. And you'll understand better than what to probably do as an investor, making your own rational decisions based off of your due diligence. But definitely add this one, keep it on your watch list, and even if you don't even decide to take a position in it, which you don't have to, you can keep it close and use it as an indicator of where inflation is going and where the stock market is going and where this stock is going, guys. I'm not saying you can use it like an index. There's a lot of better other research tools, but it is one of those that it's good to have there just to watch what's going on. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.